Hello guys, it's Yesha and today we will talk about myself. May mga questions dito na tanong about sa sarili ko. So, let's go! So yung mga question dito is kinuha ko lang sa Facebook and yung iba is galing sa akin. So, first question, what is your name? So, my full name is Yesha P. Zabala. So, ayun na yun. Your age. So, I am 17 years old next week. Height, 5'3". Matangkad ako, guys. 5'3". So, next question is favorite place. So, sa place, mas gusto ko yung tahimik sa beach and gusto kong puntahan Japan. Kasi mahilig ako manood ng anime, gano'n. Kaya gustong puntahan. Next, hobby. So, mahilig akong mag-drawing, patugtog sa ukulele, tsaka gitara. Favorite music. Basta, Taylor Swift, mga ganyan. Next, favorite time of a day. Mas favorite ko yung 8 tsaka 9, lalo kapag may pasok. Kasi, mas nasusolo ko dito sa bahay. Tsaka, me time. Ayun yun. Kasi, pumapasok sila, kaya ako lang naiiwan mag-isa. Next, address. Saan ako nakatira? So, I live in Baltasar, Kasapang, Poblacion Norte, Paniquit, Tarlac. Next, favorite color. My favorite color is yellow. So, next, my birthday. So, my birthday is November 23, 2006. Strand. I'm STEM student. So, next, pupunta tayo sa horrible question you can ask. So, first dito is, are you insecure? A little. Sa mga, keme-keme. Next, played any sports? Kapag laro-laro lang, naglalaro ko ng badminton, volleyball, tsaka, ayun. What are your cravings right now? Siguro, Sunday, tsaka shawarma. Tapos, bibingka, tsaka tupig. Yes, tupig. I like the tupig. Is this year the best year of your life? No. Siguro no. Kasi, mas masaya yung last year. Hindi ng grade 11, pinaka-last. Siguro grade 10. Next. Are you mean? Yes. Based sa sinasabi ng iba. Oh, next question. Is it cute when a boy or girl calls you baby? Uy! Yes, guys. Do you like someone? Yes, madami. Pila lang kayo, guys. Pero K-pop, tsaka anime. Ayun lang yung gusto ko, guys. Wala nang iba. Next. What is your relationship status? Single, guys. Bawal tayong mag-anis-anis dyan. Kusay tayo sa nanay ko. What was your last dream about? Si Micaela, napaginipan ko. Ginawa niyang ikaw yung makeup. Do you wanna get married? Uy, married siguro kapag 25. Ay, hindi. Siguro 27 years old pag last question. Would you see yourself 10 years from now as a successful woman? Yes, because ngayon pa lang na akong mabuti para sa future ko and lahat ng mga ginagawa ko ngayon is naka-align na para sa future ko, and pinagbubuti ko lahat ng pag-aaral ko para maging successful someday. And ayun lang guys, sana may natutunan kayo about sa sarili ko. Ayun lang, bye bye, thank you.